I'm going to walk through a basic question surrounding the topic of rolling circles. Plotting the locus of point P as the circle rolls along a non-slippery surface. The circle here, point P, as your surface. The circle is rotating in a clockwise direction. We first look at creating a lift. Creating a lift is obtained by making contact between the ground and the circle. As the circle rotates clockwise and comes in contact with the ground, you see it move. The lift is created by the point P moving up to its new location. The pink line created is the locus of point P. The sketch isn't drafted, however, and is only completed in a half rotation, leaving P at the highest point. The first method in creating this is just by simply making the circle and dividing it into equal parts. You then take the distance from P to 1 and mark off the sections along your ground. You would then bring across your center line and create all your individual circles at an equal distance apart. Now, going from this point, as P moves up, you'd see 1 hits ground line, 2 hits ground line, as we talked about before, creating the lift. Points come in contact, and as these are made, this is how you plot your locus. Method 2 is about creating a series of triangles. These triangles are situated inside the circle as well as the locus. The solution is done and completed on the page. The locus of point P is indicated by the black line. To create the triangles, you need 2 dimensions. First, you need the length from the center of your circle to your chosen point. At this point, we are choosing point 8. So, we go back to our circle from the middle to point 8, from the center, and mark your line. Second, you need the length from your chosen point to point 1. Point 1 being the end and start of your locus. So from point 8 to point 1. And then mark. From point 8 to park 1. This gives you a point on your locus. Where they intersect, as I said, gives you the point of the locus. Also, it creates a triangle. From the middle of your circle to your new point, back to point 8, and up to the center of your circle. This is the new triangle created. This is repeated to create the other triangles on the other side, which will make your path of your locus. That is the basics of rolling circles and the completion of method 2.